Hi, everyone. Good morning, or good afternoon, or good night. Wherever you are right now, I hope your day is gentle and kind. And welcome back to the English Word.
Hey friends, it's Jake. We're sitting here on a slow, cozy Saturday morning. The sun is out, the coffee is hot, and Emma is already laughing for no reason.
I don't know. I'm in a happy mood today. Maybe because it's the weekend.
That makes sense. During the week, you look like a tired potato.
Excuse me? I prefer cute, tired potato, please.
Okay, cute, tired potato. But yeah, weekends just feel lighter.
They really do. And you know what? Today's topic actually fits that weekend mood perfectly.
Oh yeah? Hint time?
Yep. Okay, Jake. Guess the topic. Ready?
Bring it on.
Every weekday, you wake up early, drink coffee like it's medicine, sit in front of a computer, talk to coworkers, get tired, and then come home complaining. What is the topic?
Okay, rude, but accurate. The topic is my entire life.
Close. Today we're talking about how to talk about your workday in English.
Oh yeah, that makes sense, because everyone has a work day, even people who work at home, like Emma.
Hey, my work is real work.
I know. Remote work is still work. And plus, you're also an artist, so that's extra cool.
Thank you. But before we dive in, just a little reminder. If you enjoy learning English with simple, natural conversations, if you want to improve your speaking, listening, and everyday vocabulary, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who also wants to learn English.
It really helps the channel, and it makes us smile like weird happy puppies.
True. Okay, Jake, let's start simple. How was your morning today?
My morning. Well, I woke up at 7, which is actually late for me.
Late? Jake, some people wake up at 10.
I wish. Anyway, I made coffee, checked my phone, and then just sat on the couch doing absolutely nothing for 10 minutes. It felt amazing.
That sounds healthy. Sometimes doing nothing is good for the soul.
Yeah. What about you? You always wake up like a Disney princess.
Not today. Today, I woke up with my hair looking like a chicken's nest.
I wish people could see that.
No, thank you. But yeah, I woke up around 8, stretched a little, watered my plants, and then made breakfast.
Typical Emma morning.
So, workdays. People talk about them every single day.
Because every single day, people work. Unless it's the weekend or you're rich.
True.
So today, we're going to show you how to describe your workday in simple English. Whether you work in an office or from home, or you're a freelancer or a student, the same phrases can help.
And we'll share our real stories. My work from home life and Jake's office life.
The office jungle.
The home jungle. Okay, Jake, let's start with you. Walk us through your normal workday, from morning to evening.
All right, but let me warn you, it's not glamorous.
It never is.
So, first, I wake up early, around 6 or 6:30. Then I make coffee because my brain does not work without caffeine.
Same.
Then I get ready, put on my office clothes, which I hate, and I drive to work. Sometimes there's traffic. Actually, no, there's always traffic.
That's why I work from home.
Yeah, we know. Anyway, I arrive at the office, swipe my badge like I'm in a spy movie, and then sit at my desk.
What do you do first? Emails?
Always. I open my computer, and boom! 37 emails from people asking me things I don't want to answer.
Sounds painful.
It is.
Then I usually have a team meeting, a project meeting, and sometimes another meeting about meetings. Office culture is wild.
After that, I work on my computer, do research, write reports, help coworkers, solve problems, the normal, boring stuff.
And lunch?
Oh, lunch is the best part. I either go out with coworkers or eat in the office cafeteria. We laugh, complain about work, and pretend we're going to quit one day.
Everyone does that.
Then after lunch, I usually get sleepy. Very sleepy.
The food coma.
Exactly. So I drink more coffee, finish the rest of my tasks, and then finally head home.
And how do you feel when you arrive home?
Like a melted potato. Okay, Emma, your turn. What's your normal work day like?
Well, it's different. Because I work from home, I don't commute. I just walk 5 steps from my bed to my desk.
That's the dream.
Sometimes. So I wake up around 7:30 or 8. I do a little stretching, drink water, make tea, and then start checking my messages.
What kind of work messages?
Mostly clients, students, or small projects. Sometimes someone needs a translation or a short lesson plan or a design idea. I do a mix of creative work and online tasks.
And you're painting.
That's my favorite part. In the afternoon, when my brain feels heavy, I take a break and paint. Even just 20 minutes helps my mind relax.
That's beautiful and healthy.
Thank you. After painting, I get back to work, writing, designing, teaching online. Then in the evening, I cook dinner, clean a little, and then relax with a book or a show.
Wow. Your workday is so peaceful compared to mine.
You could also work from home, you know?
I would, but I'd probably fall asleep on my own keyboard.
True. Let's talk about habits. Good habits for work.
And bad habits. I have many.
Same. Okay, good habits first.
One good habit is I take small breaks. It helps keep my mind fresh.
Yes, breaks are important. Another good habit is I plan my tasks for the day.
Oh, I never do that.
That's why you're stressed.
Fair?
And a third good habit is I try to keep my workspace clean. It really helps with focus.
Meanwhile, my desk looks like a small tornado visited.
That is your bad habit.
True. My bad habit number 1 is I check my phone too much.
Everyone does that.
And another one is I eat snacks all day.
That is not a bad habit. That is a lifestyle.
You know, talking about work makes me think. We all work so hard, sometimes too hard.
Yeah, and sometimes we forget to rest or to be kind to ourselves.
Exactly. I think it's important to remind people that work is not everything. Your health matters. Your happiness matters. Your family matters.
True. And your dreams matter too. Even if your job is not your dream right now, you can still move slowly towards the things you love.
Like your painting.
Yeah. It started as a hobby, but now it's part of my workday.
That's beautiful.
Jake, what's the funniest thing that ever happened at your office?
Oh, no. Okay. One time, I joined a video meeting, and I didn't know my camera was on, and I was eating noodles.
No!
Everyone saw it. Everyone.
Did anyone say anything?
My boss said, "Jake, looks delicious."
That is amazing.
What about you? Funniest work from home moment?
Oh, one time I was teaching a student online and my cat jumped on my laptop and ended the call.
Perfect timing.
Okay, listeners, here are some simple phrases to talk about your workday.
You can say, I start work at blank. I work from home. I work in an office.
And I answer emails, I have meetings, I take breaks.
And I finish work at blank.
And my workday was busy, my workday was easy.
I felt tired after work. I enjoyed my work today.
Super simple.
Super useful.
Talking about work can be simple. Just describe what you do.
How you feel and what happens in a normal day.
And don't forget, your workday doesn't define you. It's just one part of your life.
Exactly. All right, friends, that was our little weekend conversation.
If you learned even one new word today, or if you smiled at least once,
Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone learning English.
we love making these conversations for you.
And we'll see you again on the English Word. Bye-bye.